Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a grass effect on any terrain or any kind of material, right? Um, I'm going to be working with this terrain mass that I've created, uh, and let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is obviously have our um, mass and make sure that when you do this, the mass itself, because I have made this through Tyflow, I needed to make it so it's editable poly. So like this, for example. So when you bring it out, you right click and you can see how it says convert to um, editable poly. So make sure that is done. That's like incredibly crucial for this process to work, because otherwise you wouldn't be able to select anything through Tyflow. Once that's done though, open up Tyflow. So really simply, the first thing we're gonna do is just bring up birth. So birth is going to help us plot these grasses onto the mass itself. So um, I'm gonna get rid of the end as well because the grass is going to be there all the time. And then I'm going to up the value by a drastic amount, maybe even 100,000 even because the grasses are like very tiny. Geometry, of course, you want to change it to the geometry, right? And then uh, let's bring out a shape. So let's get a shape. Um, well, not a shape actually. I'll do position icon first. So the first thing you need to do is position icon. Yeah. So after you do position icon, go to um, 3ds Max and head to this button here, helpers, and then click on Tyflow, and then click on Ty icon. So hit here, and then simply just drag this Tyflow icon about that much, right? I'm trying to cover up the entire landscape with the grass, obviously. Um, and the next thing you need to do is simply just link this icon. So hit the pick button and then just click on this button. There you go. So it's already doing something. It doesn't have a shape yet, but we'll have to add that on. So let's find the shape component. So there it is. Drag that into the thing. And then now we have a very interesting thing going on. I think that's just the shadows. So anyways, remove this one, and then we'll add a new one. And obviously we're not using triangles, we're gonna be using um, grass. So 3D, and then let's go to clump. Right. Once that's done, we need to actually physically put these grass textures onto the actual terrain itself. So the one way we can do that is by using one of these position um, things, but the best one that works with the icon is to raycast. So let's use raycast, and then simply just grab pick and then click on the terrain, and there you go. Good as new. So um, yeah, obviously because I am going with the Minecraft style, I'm not going to use this grass type. I think I might change it to something else maybe. I don't know, maybe even just using some random cubes, actually. Yeah, let's see. Yeah, and then maybe I might just down the frequency a little. Oh, maybe the scale actually. I'll change the scale. I'll change it to maybe 50 scale. Let's see. Yeah, that's all right. I think I'll keep it at like around 70. I think that's fine. Yeah, and yeah, that is how you do the grass effect. It's very simple. All you have to do is just change the shape to your desired, whatever you want to do. So if you want to do it realistic, just change this to actual grasses or leaves or anything you want. I'm going with cubes because I'm doing this aesthetic. So yeah, thanks for watching.